Bitrefill is a service that lets you purchase basically anything using Bitcoin, both on-chain and with Lightning. They offer over 5,000 gift cards, phone refills, eSIMs, prepaid cards, and much more. Amazon, Airbnb, Uber, airtime and data, petrol, you can buy literally anything using Bitrefill. If you're like me and hold very little fiat currency, Bitrefill is super useful for making purchases without converting back to shitcoin fiat currency. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Bitrefill account, and I will do a quick demo purchase. Here I am on my phone, and the first thing you want to do is head over to your app store and search for Bitrefill. Here it is at the top, and we can see I already have this downloaded, so I'm going to click on Open. Now I am in Bitrefill, and at the top right of my screen we can see I am in the South African version, and here are all the gift cards I can purchase in South Africa. Now in Bitrefill, the first thing I want to do is create an account. At the bottom of my screen I click on Account, and then I can pick a method to create my account with. I usually like to use sign up with email. What you would do now is enter your email address and create a password. I suggest setting a good one because you might be storing Bitcoin in this account. And finally, you can use a referral code. I will put my referral code on the screen and in the description. And if you use that code, you will get $5 back after spending $200. It also supports this channel and helps me create these free videos. Now, I already have a Bitrefill account, so I'm going to exit this screen and click on Login with Email. I'm quickly going to fill in my email address and password, and I'll be back when I'm logged in. Alright, I have logged into my Bitrefill account, and now we can go ahead and buy any voucher we like. Today I'm wanting to buy a Takealot gift voucher, which is South Africa's equivalent of Amazon. So I'm going to click on Takealot and quickly check what the minimum order is. So here on Takealot, I'm going to scroll down to select amount, and I don't seem to be able to do less than 1,000 Rand. So I'm going to deposit 1,000 Rand worth of Bitcoin into my account. Here we can see that the estimated price is 0.0008662 Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and fund this account. To fund your Bitrefill account, simply click on Account at the bottom of your screen, then click on Top Up. When topping up your Bitrefill account, you have a few options. Firstly, at the top is the From option. So here you will select which cryptocurrency you would like to deposit. And here are all the options. In this case, I'm going to use Lightning Bitcoin. So I click on Lightning, and then I can choose the To account. This will specify if I want that Bitcoin saved in my Bitcoin balance, in my US dollar balance, or my Euro balance. Here I avoid shitcoins, so I'm going to put that into my Bitcoin balance. Now I can create a Lightning invoice to receive Bitcoin into my Bitrefill account. So what I'm going to do is set an amount of Bitcoin I wish to deposit, because this is Lightning and we need an invoice. So I'm going to set that to 0.001 Bitcoin. Now I click on Generate, and here is my Lightning invoice. So I'm quickly going to pay this invoice using my Lightning wallet. Alright, I did pay that invoice using my Lightning wallet, and here we can see it says top up completed, and we have 0.001 Bitcoin waiting in my Bitcoin balance. What I'm going to do now is click on Shop at the bottom left of my screen, and then select the voucher I'm after. So I want a Takealot voucher. I click on Takealot, then I scroll down over here and select the amount. 1,000 Rand is what I'm after, and I click on Add to Cart. Now at the top right of my screen, I can click on this cart icon, and here we can see I have the voucher ready to check out. I click on Checkout, and it gives me this screen, the final confirmation screen. It tells me which email it's going to send the voucher to. That is very important. I'm going to receive a code, so this email must be correct. And it's telling me the amount of Bitcoin it's going to cost at the bottom. So here we see I will receive a 1,000 Rand value, but I'm paying 0.00085820 Bitcoin for that. So everything looks good here to me. I'm going to click on Confirm Payment. And there we go. It says Delivery in Progress. And here is my Takealot voucher ready to go. What I'm going to do now is click on Click to Unseal. And here is my gift card code. Right below that is the instructions on how to redeem this in Takealot. Now this will of course be dependent on what you've purchased. These instructions are specific to Takealot. So what I'm going to do here is move over to Takealot, and I am already logged into my account. So now I'm going to click on load gift voucher and go back to Bitrefill, copy this gift card code in full, and then I'm going to paste this into Takealot. Now I click apply voucher, and there we go. It says voucher successfully added. And if I go back to my home screen, I have 1,000 Rand in credit on my Takealot account. And there we go. I've got this voucher on an online store where I can purchase basically anything I want. What I'm looking for in particular is one of those annoying round batteries that I couldn't find in store. So I'm going to open my cart, and here we can see I already have that in my cart. I'm going to proceed to checkout. I'm going to click on collect, and here we can see use my credit, 1,000 Rand available, is already check marked. So I will be using that by default. I click on confirm order, and there we go. My order is on the way, and that was paid for in full with Bitcoin using Bitrefill.